In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Git on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL and then click on the link install for Windows. Okay, now select Windows and then click on the link to download the latest version of Git. It may take a while for downloading. I already have downloaded it on my machine. So after a successful download, navigate to Downloads folder and open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes to verify the publisher. Then click on next. Now select the destination location where you want to install Git. This is the default destination location. If you want to change this location, click on the browse and then browse the folder where you want to install it. Okay, then click on next, then click on next. Okay, now choose the default editor used by Git. I'm going to select this default editor. If you want to use another, select from this drop down list. Okay, then click on next, click on next, click on next. Now click on the install button. It may take a while for installing Git on your computer. That's it. Git installed successfully on my computer. If you want to launch Git Bash right now, check this box and click on the finish. Now I am going to configure Git with my GitHub account using this command git config -- global and then user dot name. Here enter the user name of your GitHub account and then write this command to add the user email. Enter your email address here. Now verify the configuration. So I am going to list all the configuration using this command git config -- list. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.